Okay, so this will be a tutorial on how to create the mod pack, a mod pack for Minecraft based on a customized mod pack from like uploaded from a Dropbox, for example. So the first thing you should do is to download the Twitch launcher because this will make your life a lot easier unless you want to do it manually. If you want to do it manually, you're gonna have to go to see another tutorial, but this will make everything more automatic and make it a lot easier for you. So you gotta get your mod pack. The mods and config. Config is not always necessary, depends on what your mod pack creator wants to have certain config or not. So this is just for like a custom mod pack, for example, if your friend made it. So this is, for example, is when my friend made this mod pack and we're using this one for example. So once you download the Twitch launcher, basically run it, install it, and after a while it should end up like this. So if you go over here, so this will be the Twitch launcher. So you go right here to where it says mods, right here. And these basically have all your mods like things. But you want to, if you're going to go to a mod in Minecraft, because what we're doing, that you should go to this one. So we're going to go to mod in Minecraft. So first you need to install Minecraft. Basically it's going to say, do you own Minecraft? And you have to check your files and make sure you have proof that you own the game, so that you can actually create the mod pack. So if you don't own Minecraft, you're screwed. So sorry about that. But I'm pretty sure everyone watches this video probably does own Minecraft. So I'm going to continue from this. So first you want to do is figure out what version your mod pack is. So I've been told it was the latest one, so we're gonna be using the latest one for the example, which I'm gonna show you is that we're gonna be doing this one. So we're gonna do 14.23.52815 on version 1.12.2. Name this profile whatever you want. So for example, I'm gonna name this one Lance, or you can name it Hopecraft, which is what we're gonna go for it. Hopecrafter, close enough. Yeah, but I'm gonna call it Lance Hopecraft. Alright, so you got your new version. So first you need to do is you probably should install these. So get these things downloaded. I should finish soon. Okay. And then you want to extract this. Hold on. Where is it? I should, hold on, there it is. Okay, so. Okay. So you got this. Alright, so now I got this. It should be like this. So you got the configs and the mods. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Twitch launcher, which you've created your profile. So what you do is you go here, go open folder. You know, I'm not gonna drop everything in. So we're gonna be dropping the mods and config in there. That's simple. And all the mods and configs will automatically get loaded in. See? You can see that everything's working. And so with that, so yeah, so here's all the mods loaded. And if you want less lag, you go to profile options, and where it says click use memory settings, you don't click this, and this shows you what your RAM usage would be. So change this to appropriate amount. For example, if you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is 4,000 megabytes, you want to go 3,000 because you don't want to use too much of RAM. For example, if you have 8, you should not use any more than 6. Basically, this is what you should use. This is like what you shouldn't use. You should probably use on average use a 3, about 3,000. So it puts it a good amount. But if you, for example, have more RAM, like 8 gigabytes RAM, you probably want to go higher to reduce lag even more. For example, I have a lot of RAM on my computer, so I'm gonna go pretty high. So this is a good idea for you to be able to reduce lag if lag happens. Like this is will basically make your game run better. And another thing is if you can notice that this is on my solid state drive. So if you have a solid state drive, I'll put your Twitch launcher, modded directory onto your solid state to make it also load up faster. That's like the most optimal settings. You don't have to have that, but you can. It will be beneficial. So by doing that, if you go to, I think to do that, you just go here to settings, and I think it's somewhere in there. Minecraft, and then yeah, right here. So yeah, it says let you do all that. So you go here to Minecraft, and then it shows you your install location. So I have an example of my A drive, which is my solid state. So if you have a solid state, you probably should put this on solid state to make the game load up even faster. Because even if the backup here, it's going to take a while to load. Oops, don't do that. So we go, oops, wrong one. So we're going to go to Lance Hopecraft. So this should be already installed. Everything should be working. And we're going to do a test to make sure. So we hit play. Okay, now it's going to load up the Minecraft launcher because you've never loaded this mod launcher before because it's a new launcher. Should not take that long. Give it a few minutes. God damn, my Ethernet cable's doing a lot of work. It's really so fucking slow. Yes. Okay, so when now it says it should say play, and it should say Forge 14.23.7, which is the version we just did over here, and it should say your Lance Hopecraft or whatever you named it. So I named it Lance Hopecraft, so it's gonna be right there. If this does not appear, close out of every Minecraft launch you have, and try again, hit play again, because if you can't have a normal non-modded and modded one open at the same time. That's the only downside about using Twitch. Other than that, it's useful. This will be worth it. You can always just create a new profile and use these instead if you want to actually play actual Minecraft. So use these instead, which are already here. So if you don't want to use modded. And so next thing you do is you just hit play. So we're going to load this up just for test. Time for the amazing loading screen. So just welcome to the loading screen simulator of the game. Not actually the game though, but is the game, but it's not actually the game, if that makes any sense. Probably not. I guess I should note this is how much RAM you're using. So with this mod packet, you should you might hit 3000 once if you're using a back computer. If it hits 3000, it's gonna cause a little bit of lag, but you should be able to, if you wait long enough, it should be able to happen. It's gonna take a bit longer probably. And after that, it should be loaded. So this is now the modded. You can tell it's Forge, and it says how many mods loaded. Blah blah blah. What the? Okay. So we're gonna test this world out. Okay, so now after it loads up, after it loads up, we're just save test, and then we're gonna, and then I think everything else. So see it loaded. So we're gonna. Now you might wonder, there's a little bit of lag right here. See how the lag quickly goes away? So I'm just gonna go to just fix it so I can actually do something. Okay. Right. There you go. Okay. So see, so the game might be a little bit laggy when you first load it up, but as chunks generate, it should cause less and less lag. So eventually there won't be too much lag. And if you want to reduce lagging further, you can decrease particles. You can turn graphics off. This to off. This to fast. This to off. Decrease lag. Decrease lag. You want to turn VSync off to massively decrease lag, because who cares? Screen tearing is not good compensation for that. So, and with that, after everything loads, it should have a pretty stable experience. So once we see there's no tick lag anymore, so I have the box appear instantly, so there's no tick lag. And so now this is modded. And for example, like see how my control, yeah, there you go. I thought there was because we have in this particular mod we have control lanes, so you can search for like certain buttons are used. For example, left, like see, okay, attack destroy, blah blah blah. See, I can see, and you can show keys or category, like for gameplay. If you want to find gameplay. And so this has helped you find if keys are like overriding each other. For example, like if you like all these ones being red, that means they're being overwritten. So you can search for C and then figure out what needs to be fixed. And that's all for about this video. Thanks all of you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped with you and your modding experience. Welcome to the world of Minecraft Modded, and make sure you don't die like me. Have fun.